You probably use Google products every single day. I just checked my phone and I found out that I have so many things from Google. I use Gmail every day, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Maps. Yesterday there was a Google Keynote. That's probably too long for most people to watch. So in this short video, I will just show you all the highlights that you really need to know to keep up to date with the AI content that is coming right into your Google products. Let's start off with an animation video Google made to announce all their AI products. So this is the introduction video of the first part that they're gonna do, and that is adding AI into Google Search. Google Search is of course the most used product of all the Google items, and this will just be a new feature that you can use while you're searching, and it's gonna be crazy. This is a post from The Verge, and you really can see that Google went for AI this year. Let's take a look.
AI, generative AI, generative AI, generative AI, AI, AI. It uses AI to bring AI.
I mean, AI is the hottest thing in the market right now. Google also acknowledges this, but the nice thing is we are already using their products and it's just going to be embedded in the products that we already use. This is, in my opinion, one of the very important ones. That is that they're gonna add AI right in the Google search bar. So she searches for what's better for a family with kids under 3 and a dog. Bryce Canyon or Arches. So she's asking, normally Google would just give you some information or some links that you can use. But with the AI now, they're gonna actually provide you some content. Right here you see that you have the links in the bottom, but in the top you see generating. And here you have generative AI that is right there. So here you see that they give some information, and on the right you get some links to things that you can do. And what is nice about this is that you can actually talk to it, because it is like a chatbot, like ChatGPT. So it gives information, and she clicks on this button right here, and you see that's getting split up in different sections with different links if you want to read a bit more about it. So let's see another example. Good bike for a 5-mile commute with hills. And right here you get some generative AI. So they give some information. So they talk about when choosing a commuter bike, you can consider aspects like, and then they give already some information. So I really feel like this is almost like you're talking to ChatGPT in your browser, The nice thing is that it's mixed with Google. For instance, here they already give some information from bikes that you could buy, and even some information that they probably pulled from the page. It's just nice, you get all your information right in the same spot. And here she shows how does it work on the phone, and she asks why do whales like to sing, and you see that you just got a generative AI here at the top. So just get the reasons already, and if you want you can click on links below. Honestly, Google with this update kind of made a lot of extensions, a lot of AI tools redundant, because it's all gonna come together in one part. Why do you still need another extension? Why do you still need maybe ChatGPT even, So this is huge for the AI world. And this is the search engine, but there's way more that Google announced. So Bard AI is kind of the Google version of ChatGPT, and it got quite some upgrades. And they are gonna combine it with other Google tools. They ask Bard, what are some must-see sites in New Orleans? And just get some information right. This is just like a normal ChatGPT interaction, but you even get some links already or the workflow is pretty crazy. So you asked, for instance, I think about colleges, but I'm not sure what I might want to focus on. I'm into video games. What kinds of programs might be interesting? And here they show different kind of college programs that you could use: game design, computer science, art and animation. And then you can continue, right? Help me find colleges with animation programs in Pennsylvania. So right here it gives 5 universities, so it's continuing on your first prompt. And now you ask, show these on maps. So you're gonna combine Bard AI, Google Docs, and now Maps. And right here they just import the Google Maps with the 5 colleges right there, So that's pretty impressive. But they're not done. Now they ask, show these options as a table. And you got a nice table here, right? You got the college, the location, degree offered. So this is nice, you have a nice table. And here they continue, they ask, add the column showing whether they are public or private schools. And they just add a little column there. And here comes the next part, right? Because we can do this also in ChatGPT. In the bottom, they have a text telling export to sheets. So if you click on that, it just creates a college list sheet, which is pretty crazy. And here you can just share it with your family. you can edit in it. And this is the connection from the Google tools that we really want to see with AI. And the crazy thing is there's going to be so many more tools that are going to connect it to Bart. Here they have screenshots, so they already have Uber Eats, Google Calendar, Wolfram, YouTube, Spotify, Indeed, Instacart, Walmart, Adobe. So all these tools are going to work together with Bart. It's all going to come together in one big AI tool. And honestly, it's pretty impressive. And I am really looking forward to see what we can expect more from all these tools working together in one AI tool. Google is also adding a help me write into Gmail, you know. So there's a lot of tools that we already use. So here they got the email. Here they have the magic button and ask for a full refund for this canceled flight. So right away, you just type this and they're gonna create a full email for you. There you go. Email is just done like that, you know. You can even press refine and formalize, elaborate, shorten. And this is of course already possible in other tools. We can create the email like this in ChatGPT, can create the email like this in WriteSonic, in Jasper, you know. But this is just right into your Gmail. This is next level. This is just gonna make our life with AI connected that much more. And here on Twitter, we see Google just announced immersive views for maps. It will show AI-powered renderings of the actual weather and traffic on your route. Here you have your route and it just kind of zooms in right here and it just shows you what kind of cars are there live, you know, what is the weather. This is pretty crazy. This is just something, I'm not sure how much we're gonna need it. I mean, I think it's just fun to see and just to see some new things that are happening with AI, right? And the help me write is not only for the Gmail, but it's also in Docs, right? So in Google Docs, you can just press the magic button, help me write, a senior level job description for textile designer. So this is honestly next level and you get a nice description, you do insert and it's just right there, you know? So that's with Docs and I am definitely no Excel expert. It's really hard for me to do all the Excel things. And here they have help me organize. So honestly, you just type what you want. Client and pet roster for a dog walking business with rates. And here, just like that, you have automatically your full layout ready. So you have client name, dog, address, phone, date, time, duration, notes, vet visit, the rate. Excel has always been so hard for me to use, and this is just going to be next level. You literally type what you want and you're going to get it right away. You can insert it. Super cool. But this is not all. They also have Google Slides where you can just create your presentation. So here they have help me visualize. They have mom loves her pizza, cheesy and true, while dad's favorite treat is a warm pot of fondue. This is the text that they have and they can add the style if they want. And right here, these images are created with AI. You can just pull your AI generated image from the right section right into the presentation. Just like that, you get images that you really want. This tool kind of reminds me of Canva. I have a video on that, you can watch it here. And this also does it. But right now, this is just all included in Google, you know. It kind of is scary because why do we need all the other tools when all the AI is already included in all the things that Google does? Right here, they show one more thing from Google Docs. So here they have a story. They just copy and pasted something on the right and you can add questions, you know. So here she asked the question, what happened to the golden seashell? She got the answer, and then what was crazy is suggest images for the story. It just generates images and you can pull it in and you just build your whole story right there. And this really reminds me of cohesive.so. I have a full video on that one, you can watch it here. This is an amazing tool that is totally free, so really try it out, why not? This is just something that is very similar and Google just takes over and puts it in all their own systems. Google mentions that in the upcoming months, more and more testers can try out this function. So hopefully soon we can all join in and have all this AI right at our fingertips. But for now, I'm super curious. What did you think of all these tools that Google showcases? Is this something that's going to change our life completely? Or are we still going to keep using other tools because competition between AI tools is always good? Let me know in the comments and please subscribe. I make a lot more AI content videos. Bye.